Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Microsoft account. First of all, head over to your browser and type in create Microsoft account. You will see Outlook and it says create your Microsoft account. Go ahead and click onto that link. Here, simply type in your email. Make sure that the email has not been previously used. So type in your email, then select next. Now as you do that, it will ask you to verify your email. Type in your code and simply select next. And likewise here, select your country and your date of birth. Once done, select next. And here, type in your first name and your last name, then select next. Now, prove that you are a human. And likewise, at the next page, you will be able to see that you have successfully created your Microsoft account. If you would like to launch your Microsoft account, all you have to do is open your browser, type in Microsoft login, then you will be able to view it. Thank you for watching.